In this demonstration, we will configure a sequencer PlantPax application. We will be performing this using the FactoryTalk View SE client. In the client, we will log in as an engineer named Sally. We can then proceed to the Level 2 water display, which contains 2 tanks. We will then open the Level 3 backflush filter, which contains the sequencer we will be working with. The sequencer is configured by using the faceplate. We will need to begin by opening the faceplate. Next, we will open the Runtime Sequence window. Then, we will open the Advanced Properties tab. Finally, we will navigate to the HMI Configuration tab. First, we need to add inputs for the influent gate, effluent gate, waste gate, and backflush gate. Be sure to allow forces for each of the inputs. You will also need to configure outputs for the influent gate, effluent gate, waste gate, and backflush gate. Be sure to set values of 1 for the first 2 gates and values of 0 for the last 2 gates. All outputs should be tracked to the corresponding input. We will now program the steps for the backwash sequence. In step 1, we will close the influent valve and monitor feedback to ensure the valve is closed. We also want to add an operator prompt to the step. First, let's go to the Engineering tab and verify that the sequencer has an operator prompt queue. Then we will click the Step Config button, select the Enable an Operator Prompt checkbox, and then click the white box below. The ellipsis button will open the prompt configuration dialog box. From here, we will name the prompt label Inlet Valve. The message text we want to be displayed is Check influent valve is in the correct state. Close the dialog box when prompt configuration is complete. In step 2, we will drain the tank. This requires opening the effluent valve, receiving feedback on the closed valve state, and setting a step wait timer for 30 seconds, or 30,000 milliseconds. For step 3, we will close the effluent valve, verify feedback, and add a 5-second step wait timer. You have now seen how to configure a sequencer PlantPax application using the FactoryTalk View SE client.